Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding with pudding powder. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 package of pudding mix and 2 cups of cold milk. A medium saucepan and a whisk are also essential tools. Using cold milk is key for the pudding to thicken properly. Always check your specific pudding package for any unique instructions or ingredient variations. Now let's get mixing. Pour 2 cups of cold milk into your medium saucepan. Next, add the entire pudding mix package to the cold milk. It's important to whisk vigorously for about 2 minutes to ensure there are no lumps. Keep whisking until you notice the mixture starting to thicken slightly. This consistent stirring helps create a smooth, creamy texture. Once mixed, it's time to cook. Place your saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Bring the pudding to a gentle boil, then immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot pudding into your desired serving dishes or a large bowl. To prevent a film from forming, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm pudding. For the best taste and texture, refrigerate your pudding for at least 2 hours, allowing it to chill completely. Once firm, you can serve it plain or with your favorite toppings like whipped cream or fresh fruit. And for a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener link in the description, along with other great deals. Your delicious homemade pudding can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Enjoy your easy, creamy dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.